Hi. Remember me? Well, I'm back. Motu proprio. Welcome to Harvey Dent's Fact Finder, and today I will show you what happens when someone knows their position in this world and confront the judges with that information.
Go ahead before the motion for Mr. Ingris.
I do. State versus John Ingris.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Ingris, would you come forward, sir, and join
Are you
counsel?
saying that the trust you are administering is the John Ingris Trust?
Mr. Ingris, if you'd come up, sir, and stand beside Attorney David Out.
John Ingris is in the court. That's you, judge as trustee.
Oh, shit.
You are John Ingris today, aren't you?
This is gonna be good. Damn, look how red she is.
Attorney David Out.
Yes, ma'am.
Before we go any further, I need to know who you are.
I am
Clerk.
Judge Crocker, right here.
Thank you, clerk. Are you the CQV trustee who has appointed this judge?
Shit, don't look over here at me. I knew I should have been that Wilford Brimley stunt double. Diabetes.
As administrator and trustee of the
I've been waiting for this day for 14 years. That bitch is finally gonna get hers.
constructive trust, case number 458-2010-CR-01203.
Mr. Attorney David Out, your motion for competency evaluation is granted, and we will ensure that before Mr. David Out, before Attorney Ingris is back before the court, that we're sure that he understands the workings of the court.
Clerk, did you also appoint
Excuse
the
me,
prosecutor as
excuse
executor
me.
of this
Mr.
constructive
Ingris,
trust?
Mr. Ingris.
You are the
Excuse
trustee,
me, Mr. Ingris.
and
Mr.
are you not the
Ingris.
executor?
Mr. Ingris.
I'm the beneficiary,
Well,
and I authorize you to handle the accounting and dissolve this constructive trust.
Mr. Ingris.
I now claim my
Mr.
body
Mr. Ingris,
as I am collapsing the CQV trust,
Okay, we will take a brief
which you
recess.
have
at
charged,
which time we will resume with
as
the
there is
hearing.
no value in the trust.
Rise.
You have committed fraud on the court. Did you not?
And I am not the trustee over the all caps name that you're operating on.
Well, you're here in court today because you were charged with some charges.
I'm here in court today because I am making a special visitation. This is not an appearance, only spirits appear. Living men, living persons make special visitation. That's why I'm here, to make sure that you guys don't tender my truthful, proper name.
Do you still live at 28 Flying Eagle in Manhattan?
That is a storage unit that I sleep in from time to time.
All right.
I live in myself in this body. I am the living man.
Mr. Falgate, you were here. You were seen by Mr. Putz on 9/3/13. And you asked, at that time, he appointed you a public defender. Did you apply for the public defender?
What use have I for a voice of ruin? They can
That's
only
not-
speak
that's your
fictitious
choice.
legalese to you. I speak natural living man's English to you. It's called common English. That's the only thing that I work in.
That's fine.
There will be no legalese used here.
Well, you were charged on the 31st of August of 2013 with obstructing a police officer in violation of 457302. You were also charged on the same date with resisting arrest in violation of 457301. So the Montana Code.
Those men were charged by me right back by staging an overthrow of the Constitution of 1789, an overthrow of the Bill of Rights, an overthrow of my rights to forage for food as a natural living person who was in hunger. I was searching for something to put in my stomach, as I am recognized to be allowed to do by universal law, has nothing to do with your corporate fiction. They violated everything, and furthermore, for your knowledge, they violated Judge Holly Brown's Title 26 United States Code ruling, which I went before her and prevailed on 21st March 2011. DPO 9-58A is the case number wherein she evidenced that I am not a taxpayer because I am not a federal citizen. Federal law trumps state law at every turn. I have 9 judge rulings to that end, and that trumps state law. I am not registered crap. I am the living man, and I have the right to forage for food when I'm hungry.
All right. But you're here on different charges.
That
This is not
what
Holly
stands.
Brown's courtroom.
Ma'am, you can argue this all day long. You're operating on
I'm
a
telling-
corporate fiction.
I'm telling you, you're here on some charges which were filed in 3 courts.
I do not
Number
understand
one.
those charges.
Number one, you keep interrupting me, and I'm gonna charge you with contempt, and you'll go to
Oh,
jail.
contempt of court is spelled C-O-double-N. I know about conning. That's navigation.
Sir,
Contempt is the storm.
I said, be
Don't
quiet
touch me.
until I get
Don't
through
touch
reading
me.
this
You
to
ain't a
you.
gun. Don't
Officer?
you touch me. I am the living man protected by universal law.
You keep
stand
talking,
down.
and you're going to be charged with contempt, and you're gonna go to jail.
You have already contempted this place.
No, I told
by
you
the
I
fraud
would if
you're
you
trying
didn't
to
quit
get done
talking.
here. These are the living witnesses to what you're trying to do.
Very
You
good.
are trying to create a fictitious fraudulent action. You are trying to bilk the Federal Reserve by
Sir.
securitizing in all caps commercialized name
Sir,
and
would you
notifying
remove
them
him from the
that
courtroom?
they are standing in debt now. If you touch me, you will violate natural law. Do not come near me. I am
Then
protected
shush,
by the land.
shush.
Do not tell me to shut up! Do not tell me to shut up! I am the living natural man, and my voice will be heard. That is the Jolly Roger. That thing you call the American flag with the gold fringe around it is the Jolly Roger, and you are acting as one of his privateers.
Okay, you're here on the charge of arrest.
I'm
resisting
here by
arrest.
special visitation.
Right. And you're
I've
here
never let
on
you get away with
obstructing
this.
a
You bet
police
I'm here.
officer. To each charge, could be up to a $500 fine, up to 6 months in jail.
I do not understand any charges. I only understand universal law and the right to live.
Well, you
To
pled
live at
not
peace
guilty.
and to live as I need to.
You pled not guilty in this
I
court.
never plead. Animals plead. Sound like bah, oink oink.
I have a paper with your signature on it, sir.
It says prime evidence standing right through it. You bring forward all natural forms of evidence that I'm not prime evidence. I am the living soil. The dirt, the water, and the air has its own voice, does it not? It all supports
Sir?
forms of life, does it not? I am a part of that life. I am not your corporate fiction.
Sir,
Do not danger me.
you're here today on an omnibus hearing. You've already pled not
I am
guilty.
here by special visitation to see to it that you do not tainter my natural living man's name.
Are you prepared
That's
to
why
tell
I'm
the
here.
court if you wish to go to trial on this matter?
This is a trial. Tell
No,
me it's not.
this isn't a trial.
Here's my
This is
jury
an
of my
omnibus
peers.
hearing, sir.
You cannot produce a jury of my peers because all juries are selected from a pool of registered voters, and the instant a person registers to vote, their natural ability is appear to comprehend natural law has been dissolved and turned into fiction. There cannot be raised a jury of my peers. It cannot be done.
Excuse me for just a moment.
No way. Get back here and finish it. Get back here and finish this. The judge has left the courtroom. There you go.
You won.
Yeah.
There is nobody in this courtroom.
Yeah.
The judge has
Yeah.
walked out.
The judge will walk down,
I
everybody up
said
and
no
out.
excuse.
Everybody up and out.
I'm not letting you
Up and out.
go.
Keith, I'm here to correct a mistake by the court, and by the city. Well, first of all, the court has made a mistake. Are you Wilfred Keith Thompson? No, that's not what I normally go by, no. Can I see the information? That's a fictitious entity in terms of person legally speaking, sir. I've tried to clarify this a few times, but apparently the level of the conflict.
So your name is Keith Thompson?
My name is Keith, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less.
You don't have a last name, sir?
I have a family name, clan name, but that's irrelevant today.
So you are not Wilfred Keith Thompson?
Okay, one more time, on and for the record, I am Keith. Nothing more.
And sit down, sir. I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Tompkins. Please sit down, sir.
Actually,
Please sit down, sir.
Sorry, can't do that. I served into the court this morning.
Sir, I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson. You are not that
This is
person. Sit down, sir.
Bailiff,
Please remove this gentleman from the courtroom.
Thank you. That's the person you're looking for.
Please,
Sir, that is the person. I'm trying to remedy things. Touch me and you will be charged. I'm a peace officer. You want to dishonor a court official?
The defendant's on the bailiff's desk.
Sir, are you here on behalf of Mr. Thompson?
I said I was the administrator for that account.
Are you here as agent for
Could you
him?
guys please back up? Thanks.
Are you here as agent for him?
Not as agent, as administrator, much like you are administrator of this court.
Sir, you're either him or you're here as his agent to
As his
speak on his
administrator.
behalf. Are you either of those?
Yeah, it's lawful.
Pardon?
Yeah, he's in common law jurisdiction, which I established as soon as I came in here this morning and reestablished again. The bailiff understood me. This other bailiff, wherever she went, she understood me as well. And this gentleman doesn't like talking.
We're going to take a recess. Thank you.
Thank you. All rise.
How long?
How long, sir? I don't have all day, thank you. I have things to do.
We'll take the court.
Yeah, actually,
This court will recess
please
until
note that the
recalled.
judge has abandoned the court. He has abandoned ship, and I, as the sovereign in this room, claim authority, case dismissed, with cause and prejudice. Have a nice day. See you later.
And the question is? What's the question? The question is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney, of course, to this George, SCP-00343, private attorney or public defender?
I need to know what laws we're working under, because I already objected to any public defender, officer of the court. Any. They are incompetent.
Are you going to give it to any private counsel?
I am private counsel. I'm an authorized representative.
You represent yourself, sir?
I'm the authorized representative for the trust. I'm the trustee of the account.
Looks like this guy doesn't know what the hell he's doing. He just said he was trustee of the account. Watch how this commissioner takes advantage of it.
Are you pleading guilty or not guilty?
I'm not entering any plea.
In that case, on the court will sorry, designate your pleading not guilty.
If you missed what happened because it happened fast, let me explain it to you. He said he is the trustee of the account, and the judge said, well, then plead not guilty or guilty. He says, I'm not entering a plea. And the judge says, well, I'll enter one for you because you are in breach of trust if you are the trustee.
Okay, so
people
are you an Article 3 judge, or this is the Article 3 court?
This guy is screwed. He already submitted to jurisdiction. So we can just watch the judge walk out of the room anyway, but that dude's going to have to show up for court. He's going to be arrested.
Let it reflect that the judge left the bench.
Let it reflect that these mofos think they did something, but didn't do jack shit. Alright, so that first video might have been the only one where someone actually appointed the judge as trustee. The other videos were people arguing legal contradictions, which is what you spend your time doing if you show up in court. If you show up in court, you're already submitting to their jurisdiction. So unless you have a mouthpiece, a few of the examples, or know your shit better than that last terrible example, then I advise going about, sending them letters to get them off your back. It takes a few simple steps. Do your research, know your place in this world, and start to demand a private existence by dealing publicly with those public entities. Until you find your truth, keep looking.